All right. So about 2 or 3 hours ago, I did the first hiccup video and showed the cure, the Aunt Birdie cure that works all the time. And then I went to Tony's dad's house and started laughing too much. And when I laugh too much is when I get the hiccups. That's what triggers them. So I've had them now for about 20 minutes and I'm tired of them. They hurt. I'm not happy. I've got my buddy Jet here. Say hi, Jet.
Hi.
Are you making the video for Daddy?
Yes.
Okay, he's my cameraman, and he's the proof that this technique works. So I'm going to take a sip, I'm going to gargle, and I'm going to rub my ears, and magically these hiccups will be gone when I'm done. Are you ready? This is proof number 2. Okay, so I don't normally time it. I don't know how long it takes, but maybe
It takes like, want me to tell you?
20 or 30 seconds maybe, Jet?
No, it takes like it takes like 40 seconds.
Okay, maybe 40 seconds of gurgling.
Yeah.
But I've used this technique a lot of times in my life. So we'll call this the Kenny Cool 100% guarantee hiccup cure. And if anybody uses it and it doesn't work, you have to write to me on YouTube and tell me it didn't work. Because if it didn't work, I want to know why, and I'm going to have to teach you the proper technique because it has worked for me 100% of the time. What does it mean to work 100% of the time, Jet?
It means it works every time you do it.
Every time, my whole lifetime. And even after having the hiccups for 2 hours after that bike ride. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Thank you for filming, Jet.
Okay, we will see you in the next one.
All right. Shut her off.